Beeswax. Tapos ito yung bahay niya. Nakalagay dyan. Ayun yung bahay niya.
Dito po tayo.
Tapos... Asan dyan ito sample?
Ito sir, may i-discuss ko po. So sit down po muna tayo.
Oh, sige.
Meron tayong
Sit
filter.
down.
May filter kami, dami ng filter ngayon. Kahit sa
Buti pa bubuyog, may honey. Ikaw kaya.
Meron. Ano ko si Joanne, wala?
And okay, anyway po, good morning everyone and welcome naman po dito sa Honey House. So this time, nasa Honey House naman po tayo. So tinatawag natin itong Honey House, dito po tayo nagkikip ng bees and also nag-harvest po ng honey. So normally pong mga bees, usually nakatira yan sila sa forest. Hinahanting po natin sa mga hollow trees. Pero ngayon pwede na po natin silang i-keep on the box. So farming na they don't hunt them, we call it beehive. So pag inalagaan natin sila na mas maganda, they will give us honey at the same time. They help us to pollinate our flowers and plants, so they are great pollinators. That's why we put bees and butterflies, and also they are farm friendly. So for your information po, yung grupo ng bee, tinatawag natin colony. Just like ants. Inside the colony, we have 3 occupants. So we have 1 queen bee, thousands of worker bees, hundreds of drone. So may tayong reyna, tauhan, and then batugan. Okay. Saysay natin. The queen is the mother. She's only 1 month. And she does all the laying po. About 1,500 to 3,000 at the eggs here in honeycomb. So it's a perfect hole. 6-sided shape, we call it hexagon. And she can lay 2 kinds of egg po. Worker, which is another female, and then drone, that's the male. Ito naman sa worker, sila po yung pinaka-busiest. So all the duties. Siya nag-akot ng honey, nagpapakay sa reyna, naglilinis ng hives. Ito naman si drone, we call it batugan, that's the male. So pag batugan, ibig sabihin they're lazy or tamhads. So wala po yung ginagawa. Kain tulog gala lang yan, tsaka nagkaroon ng ML, Roblox, Minecraft, gaming only, joke lang. Although they're lazy, ang purpose niya, isa sa kanya yung lahi, yung genes, for mating purposes only. But after mating, he dies right away, instant. So, ang difference ni butterfly, si butterfly, it takes 2 days or 48 hours. Bago mamatay, but sa honeybee, instant right after patay yung mate. At least they die happy. Ako gusto ko magiging drone kasi magiging queen. Ikaw na araw mga anak, kundi ka malosya. Tsaka ang bukod dito mga babae, alam mo kung bakit dapat daw ganun nangyari sa mga babaero. After meeting, patay ko sa babaero, dasor.
Wala, Joel.
The respondent for ni drone tsaka ni worker is 45 days lang or 6 weeks. And
Hindi ako malalakero,
unlike si queen, chicken is about 3 to 5 years, pero ang pinakapit niya lang mag-lay hanggang 2 years. Nasa Pilipinas tayo, so wala tayong winter, walang hibernation continuous. So ikaw na araw-araw mga anak, di ba? Hindi ka mapagod. Okay, what is this again? What is this? It's a honey. We only get honey during summer. So seasonal po ang honey.
Honey,
Hindi po tayo
sa summer
monthly.
lang.
Question, saan po ba galing ang honey? Where does the honey come from? Sa flowers. Nectar. Yan. Si female flowers, they have a nectar. Si bee lang kumukulit. So we turn it into honey. And the female flowers naman, they have a pollen. So that's the food of the bee. So we only get the excess or the surplus honey because honey better than sugar. So bakit po siya better saan galing? Sa halaman, simple sugar. Hindi po katulad sa kinakain natin asukal na process na and they have more chemicals. So paano natin na-harvest yung honey? Ito yung ating honeysucker machine. So ito yung honey ko, honey frame. Ano? Cellphone? Wait lang po man.
Soko?
Honeycomb.